Hi Sumati. Hello. Hi everyone. Hi. Hello. So hi everyone, welcome to this collaboration with Color Bar and Lifestyle, where I'll be showing you how to create a glam festive makeup look with your favorite Color Bar products. So for starting this look, I'm going to be taking the Color Bar 24 Hours Liquid Foundation. This foundation is available in 30 shades. So you have all the shades that is possibly available, for the warmest to the warm skin, to the darkest, to the fairest. We have all skin tones present in this range. This formula is super hydrating, and it comes with this applicator. So when you see and you see the consistency of the product is such, it's very smooth and it's very easy to apply. You just need to take a blender if you want, or you could also apply it with a foundation brush. I'm taking this product and I'm applying it on my skin, just starting from the under eye area, and I am dabbing it in. Dabbing the product will help in making the coverage better. Also, it gives you a more even coverage to complete the look. So you need to apply this all over your skin, and you need to just dab it through your face. Okay, thank you everyone. The shade I'm using, guys, is FC 3.1. so if you guys have a skin tone that's similar to mine or close to mine, you all can definitely go for this color. Okay, so I'm applying it all over my skin, taking some little more product and going to be applying it on my mouth area and also my forehead. And I'm just going to be dabbing it again into my skin. This foundation is sweat proof. It also has a climate adaptive technology that will, even if you're sweating, especially like during festive season and stuff, like if it's Navratri and all, we tend to sweat while, like enjoying our festivities. This foundation will actually stay on your skin and it will not fade off. It's not going to, get patchy. It's not going to come down with your sweat. It will stay really long, even if you're sweating, you're dancing, or anything. You can see the formula is so hydrating and so smooth. It actually blended into my skin very easily. It didn't take me much time to really apply this product. I'm just going to build on it a little more. You guys can definitely do the same. You can build on it for more coverage. The coverage is buildable medium to full coverage, so you can just keep adding more product and you can keep on building on it through the look. Okay, so once this is done, I'm going to be taking my Color Bar full cover concealer in 003 satin. It comes with this applicator over here. So this applicator, I'm going to just be applying it on my eye directly to give it a little more coverage on my under eye. I'm going to take a little bit of this product and I'm going to be applying it on the tip of my nose, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. Okay, with the same beauty blender, I'm going to be taking it and just going to be dabbing it into my skin for a better coverage. So I'm just dabbing it all over. You can see this concealer is also a full coverage concealer. It instantly adds brightness on my under eye. I'm just going to be blending it on top as well, letting it get into my skin nicely. Yeah, once you've done that, guys, you can just take a compact. So if you have a regular compact, you can use that. I like using a loose powder, so I'm going to be using a loose powder to set this. With the same beauty blender, I'm just going to be taking it and putting some loose powder on my blender. I'm just going to be dabbing it into my skin. So what exactly the loose powder does is that it sets your makeup. It also ensures that it does not crease. So if you're smiling, laughing, any kind of expressions, the lines will not be visible on your under eye. So I'm taking it and applying it over here as well on this side, and I'm going to be doing the same thing, applying it on my chin and a little bit of it on my nose also. Okay, So basically powdering my T-zone area, it instantly just looks more fresher whenever you do this. You can always do this after your whole makeup is done also. Just take a little bit of loose powder and just apply it on your T-zone area. Okay. Now that my base is done, it barely took me 5 minutes to just get this, because the products are so buildable and so beautiful and so easy to use that it does not really need much time to apply it. So the next I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my Colorbar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Bronzing Glaze. With the Colorbar blush brush, I'm going to be just taking it and applying it on my face. Just smile when you're applying, and do the same on the other side as well. Okay, and yes, this side. So you can see this gives you a really nice healthy flush to your skin. It looks really fresh, and this color, guys, will go for most skin tones. Apply a little bit on your nose as well. And yeah, if there are any questions, I'll just be answering it right now. Thank you everyone. Alia, the shade number for my foundation is 3.1. The foundation name, Miss Priya Queen. It is 24 hours weightless foundation. Yeah. So I'm just going to be completing it. So my blush is done. I'm going to be applying a little bit of highlighter. So I'm using the Colorbar Flawless Contour and Highlight Kit. So if you're looking for a kit that has a contouring shade as well as a highlighter, I would definitely suggest this kit, because it comes with both and it's only for 875. With my blush brush, I'm going to be taking it on my highlighter, and I'm just going to be applying it on my cheeks. Since it's, you know, festive, you want your skin to look nice and highlighted. And just see, it gives you this beautiful glow instantly. Taking the same and I'm applying it on this side. Just look at the glow, guys. It is so beautiful and so fresh. Okay, take the same and apply it on your nose as well. Okay, so once you apply it on your nose, you know, it just gives it a nice highlighting effect on the tip. Okay, you can obviously add on to this a little later also. I'm going to just start with my eyes now. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Colorbar Nude 12 palette. So the Nude 12 palette looks like this. It has 12 colors that can be used for, you know, daily wear. So you have these really nice neutral shades for daily wear. You have these dark smoky shades for, you know, nighttime, and you have these metallic colors again for any kind of festive or party occasion. I would suggest this palette if you're looking for one palette that really covers all colors that would, you know, be very, very useful for different occasions. I would suggest this palette for sure. I'm going to be taking the color Crush over here, so this color, and I'm going to be applying it on the inner corners of my eye with the applicator that comes along with the palette. So I'm taking it on the applicator brush, dusting the excess off, and I'm just going to be applying it on the insides. So something like this. You can see that it's really intense, and it's really instantly adds that shine to your eyes. All of these products, guys, are on an offer at Lifestyle Stores. So from today, the 16th of October till the 18th of October, Lifestyle Stores have a buy two get one offer on all Colorbar products. So please do go and check this out at the closest Lifestyle store near you, or even on the online website of Lifestyle. So I've just applied it on my eye over here on the inner corners of my eye. And I'm just going to be taking another shade. So I'm going to be using this color called Sassy. So that's over here. Sassy is going to be applied on the middle portion of my eyes. So I'm taking the same blending brush that comes with it, and I'm going to be applying it on the center. Okay, so this is going to give it like a nice you know, a little bit smoky effect to your eye makeup. Okay, taking the same one and applying it over here as well, again to give it a little nice smoky color effect. Okay, now I'm going to be using the color Seduce. So Seduce is over here, the darkest color, and I'm going to take the same blending brush and I'm just going to be intensifying the outer corners of my eyes. Okay, so this is just going to be applied outside. So you're just going to take it outside and you're going to bring it in. Okay, so something like that, guys. Take it out and bring it in and just blend out the excess. Okay, doing the same thing on this side also, taking the color and bringing it in. Okay, with the help of the blender that comes with it, I'm just going to be blending it. I'm just going to be blending it nicely all over. Okay, once you've done that, just take your kajal. So I'm using the Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal, and I'm going to be drawing a kajal. I'm just going to be applying the kajal below. This is in the shade Just Black, guys. It's super intense. It can be used as a kajal, as a liner, and as an eyeshadow. So I'm going to be applying this on my waterline. So it's going to be applied like that. Okay, I'm going to make it a little thick because I want it to look nice and, you know, just want it to stand out a little more. So I'm going to be extending it outside as well. So nice thick liner to complete this look. Okay, so you can see the difference the kajal makes between both the eyes. You can just see it over here. Okay, I'm going to be doing it on this eye as well. So I'm just going to be taking the kajal and I'm going to be applying it on my waterline. Okay. So I've made it nice and thick. I'm going to be taking the same pencil and with the smudger brush that comes behind, I'm just going to be blending the edges, you know, to give it a nice smoky effect. Like, I just want to diffuse the lines, so I'm just going to be taking the the smudger brush that comes with it to blend it. Okay, I'm going to be taking the same pencil and I'm going to apply a little bit on top as well. So I'm just going to be starting from here. Okay, so you can see how this looks. I'm just going to do that. Okay, and the next one I'm going to complete on this eye also, guys. So just taking the same pencil and I'm going to be applying it on my eye. Okay, so you can see it looks so nice and so intense. It's just this kajal that's completing the whole look, guys. I'm going to be applying a little bit of mascara now on my eyes. So I'm going to be using it on the top lashes and the below lashes. Okay, I'm going to be using step 1, which is this, for volume. So basically step 1 will, you know, add volume to your lashes, and you know, you can see my lashes are really scanty and you know, there's really no volume. So this will really add volume to my lashes. So I'm just going to apply it and wiggle it all the way up. You can see the difference it's making to my lashes, guys, over here and over here. So I'm just going to be taking it and wiggling it all the way up. Okay, you want this to look nice and open. I'm also going to be applying lashes to this, but still, you know, a little bit of mascara is always nice. Applying it on this side as well, guys, wiggling it all the way up. Okay, I'm going to be applying a little bit of this on the lower lash line as well. Thank you so much, Divya. So I'm taking this and applying it on the lower lash line. And again, just another coat on top. Thank you, Swami. Okay, once you've done that, I'm just going to be using my Colorbar Pro lashes. So that comes in this packaging. So this is Colorbar Pro lashes in 004 full night out. So since it's a festive look, I want the look to look nice and really stand out. So I'm going to be using this super volumized pair of lashes to add the volume, and I'm going to be using the glue that comes along with it. So this glue can be used for up to 20 usage, and also the lashes can be used again and again. Thank you so much, Sizzling Choco. So I've already cut these lashes, guys, according to my length of the eye. Whenever you're cutting the lashes for your own self also, if you want to make it stick on stay properly, always cut it from the outside and don't cut it from inside, because you do not want the shorter length to go away. Okay, the shorter one is good because what happens is that even when you're applying it, it will not irritate your eyes because it is already designed in such a way. So always cut your lashes from outside. When you're going to apply your lashes, take the glue and leave it on to dry for a bit, at least for 30 to 40 seconds. So I'm going to be doing that. So I'm taking the glue. This glue comes with this applicator, guys. You need to just take this applicator and apply it on the band. Okay. So what will this do? It's going to, you're just going to find it very easy to stick this lashes with the glue. This glue is really handy, guys. It really sticks very easily. So I've applied it on one lash. I'm keeping this to dry for a bit. I'm going to apply it on the other as well. So with the same glue, just applying it on the band. Okay. Okay, once you've done that, just keep this at the side to dry. I'm going to keep both of this for around 30 to 40 seconds. Until then, I'll just be applying my lipstick, guys. So for the lips, you can definitely wear a red lipstick to complete this look if you want. I love nudes, so I'm going to be applying a nude color. So I'm using the color Stunt by Colorbar, and I'm going to be applying this on my lips. So Stunt comes with it's a pencil lipstick, so it's very easy to apply. It's this beautiful nude shade that really just blends so well with your skin. So that's the color, guys. If you want, if you feel like this color is too light for you and you want something a little more darker, I can suggest another color, that's Outrage. So it looks like this, guys. So even this color looks really good. So if in case this is too light for you, please, you can try this color as well, 005 Outrage from the same collection, Matte Me As I Am. Okay. Now that I've done the lipstick, I'm just going to take a little bit of tissue and I'm going to dab the excess off. Okay. So it looks nice and really matte and good. My lashes are almost ready, so I'm just going to take it and apply it now. So yeah, you can see, guys, the lashes, the difference it makes. You can definitely go without it if you feel it's too much, but I think the lashes really completes the look. I'm going to use the other one also. you can just see, because I left it to dry well, it was so easy for the lashes to just stick, you know. So just remember to keep it on the side to dry for a bit. Yeah, so the lashes are done, guys. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of, you know, a little more highlighter on my face, because you can never have too much of highlighter. So I'm gonna be applying that, the same Flawless contour and highlighting kit. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and gonna apply it. So it gives you this beautiful shine on your skin, guys. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit of this on the back of my hand, on my fingertip, and I'm just going to be applying it on the inner corner a little bit. Again, just to amp up my eye. Okay. And I'm going to take a little bit of it and apply it on the brow bone as well. So I'm just taking this on my brow bone. So this the same highlighting palette, guys. I've used it all over my face. So on my cheeks, on my eyes. Yeah. So yes, guys, that's the look. I hope you guys found it easy. It's very, very easy. I've just, you know, taken the same palette for the eyes and I just applied it, you know, just used 2-3 colors, took our Jasmukhi Kajal and applied a really intense stroke of it on my eye and completed it with the lashes. I added some highlighter on my skin and a nude lipstick. You can definitely go with a red, you can definitely go with a maroon, and yeah. If you guys have any questions, you all can feel free to ask me right now. I can, you know, help you out. Again, I would like to repeat, guys, the amazing offer that's going on at Lifestyle Stores and Calabar, where you buy 2 products and you get 1 free. Please go and try that out. Check that out. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gibberish World. Thank you, Muhammad Bharti. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys had a good time and I hope you'll enjoy this live session. Do try this look. Tag Lifestyle Stores or at Love Color Bar to, you know, be featured on the page if you try this look. We will be saving this live, and do comment down if you try this look or if you like this look or not. Stay safe, guys, and have a good festive season. Bye bye.